Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salman Khan. Currently, I am acting as a teacher in Bostane Ilm School, and I'm a student doing my graduation in software engineering from Namal University. And basically, I'm from Mardan, but currently living in Rawalpindi. It was around about 2007 when I came to Bostan. I got admission in Bostan in class 2. Suddenly, at one day, after 1 week, Sir Amir came to class 2 and he said that why you are sitting over here. I was just amazed that he is going to pick me out and kick me out of the school. I was a little amazed, but when I picked my bag and come in front of the class, Sir Amir told me just follow me. I was following him. I was very scared that he is going to drag me to his office and he would say, "Okay, Salman, bye bye, you can go to your home." But suddenly he said, "You should go to class 3 and 4." At that time, class 3 and 4 was combined. So, and he said that you can sit anywhere in this class. I was just amazed. For 2 days, I was in a shock that what is happening with me. But suddenly my class teacher then told me that every concept or every books that we were studying in class 2, I already know all those things. I was not sure that I am going to get a scholarship from Bostan. A call was made from the head office, and they called me that you have to come to the office, and you are going to study in SLS morning shift in Zafar Akbar Road. So I was like that. What has Allah planned for me? I was just every step in my life was just an amazing turnaround for me. When I have availed that scholarship and then I have done my metric from SLS on the basis of that scholarship. I sometimes also, when I look back to my life, I sometimes realize that if I don't have that chance, that scholarship, I wouldn't have done my metric, and I wouldn't have done my second year as well. And today, when I'm studying in a university, I said that if there was neither a small chance for me in the past, I'm not going to be over here right now. After getting scholarship, when I the first day at my school, when I was sitting with the student that was more intelligent than me, in that sense, because we were a little bit lacking behind from those students who were studying in the morning. So that was a really bad experience at that time. But with the passage of time, it went good for us, and we learned a lot. I was a little bit scared as well, scary at that time, because मेरा जो मेरे साथ जो classmate था मेरा, he was also a Pathan, and I'm also a Pathan. So we were just holding ourselves to, मतलब हम एक दूसरे को ना सहारा दे रहे थे. तो वो भी डरा हुआ था, मैं भी डरा हुआ था. सो वो ये था कि हम एक साल तो हम ऐसे ही रहे, तो हम सहमे सहमे रहते थे कि ओके, वी आर स्टडिंग विद देम, इट इज़ एन अमेजिंग थिंग, बट इट आल्सो फील स्केरी. तो वो ये था कि हम डरे हुए थे, बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम वी गेट यूज टू देम, एंड वी स्ट्रगल हार्ड टू लर्न एवरीथिंग व्हाट अदर स्टूडेंट वर लर्निंग एट दैट स्टेज. The first thing was that from the very beginning, I wanted to teach students, because I like to motivate students. During my educational career as well, with my classmates and with my friends, I always see them with a lot of opportunities and facilities that they have. And as I was concerned with myself, I was having a very little opportunities and facilities. So as I am concerned with the Bostan, I also, there was a little wish in my heart that someday, if I got an opportunity, I'm going to teach student, and I want to really start from Bostan. मैं चाहता था कि मैं जो सीखा हूँ ज़िंदगी से, अपने एजुकेशनल कैरियर से, वो मैं आगे डिलीवर करूँ. जिनको भी मैं कुछ भी दे सकता हूँ, अगर मैं 10% भी मैं किसी को दे सकता हूँ थ्रू माई मोटिवेशन और थ्रू माई एजुकेशन, तो मैं दूंगा ज़रूर. और मैंने हमेशा ये लाइफ में गोल सेट किया था कि मैं ऐसा ही करूँगा थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. The person from most I am inspired is a family. There was a family. तो मैं उनके घर जब जाता था तो उनके जो सारे बच्चे थे, they was well educated and they were doing great jobs in great companies. So जब मैं उनको देखता था, I was seeing them and I was kept on inspiring myself that अच्छा, अगर मैं मेहनत करूँगा, can I be on that place कि अब मैं इनकी जगह बैठ सकता हूँ. तो मैं वहाँ पे सोच रहा था कि आप मेरे साथ ऐसा हो सकता है। तो मैंने कहा वो क्या चीज़ है जो मुझे ये चीज़ें दे सकती है। तो मैंने एक ही चीज़ देखी कि मेहनत। तो मैंने मेहनत की, और जहाँ जहाँ मुझे एंड एक चीज़ जो मेरी लाइफ में थी वो ये थी कि आई हैवंट सीक फॉर द सेकंड चांस। जो मुझे फर्स्ट चांस ही मिला मैंने उसी को अवेल किया। मैंने कभी ये नहीं कहा कि अच्छा ये अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, दैट वाज अ फर्स्ट चांस फॉर मी, मैंने ये चलो मैं इसको ज़ाया कर देता हूँ, मुझे लाइफ में कहीं दूसरा चांस मिल जाएगा, देन आई कैन अवेल दैट एंड आई कैन डू वट एवर आई वॉन्ट। I want that every single student who was from a family जो उसको properly educate नहीं कर पा रही थी, लेकिन अगर अगर देखें ज़िंदगी ऐसी है ना कि अगर आपको फैमिली से कम मिल रहा है ना, तो गॉड क्रिएट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फ्रॉम यू फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। आपके लिए बाहर से कोई ना कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर देता है। बेशक अगर आपको फैमिली से एक चीज़ नहीं मिल रही ना, तो अल्लाह ताला आपको किसी और के ज़रिए वो चीज़ देगा। फिर वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है whether you are willing that thing or not। अगर नहीं करेंगे तो आपका खसारा है, करेंगे तो आप ही कल सक्सेसफुल होंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।